we're going to do a DIY homemade simple sugar scrub for the holiday season. This sugar scrub using peppermint essential oil you can use for yourself or you can gift it to someone special this holiday season. We're going to use sugar and you can use white or brown sugar. It's completely up to you. I'm going to use white today, and then we're going to use a carrier oil. I am going to use almond as my carrier oil today because I find it helps with dry skin and hydrates your skin all winter long. So I'm going to turn this camera around and we are going to get started.
Okay, so you will need a label to label your sugar scrub, some type of jar to contain your sugar scrub. This sugar scrub jar is about 1 cup, and you're going to need some type of carrier oil. Like I said, I'm using almond, and you're going to need sugar, and you can use brown sugar if you don't have white sugar available. You'll need some twine to decorate it, completely optional, and of course, peppermint essential oils. And that is what you're going to need to get started. So I like to measure out how much sugar I need. And this I found out is 1 cup. This jar is large enough for 1 cup of sugar. So I'm basically just filling it here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my carrier oil. Now, because I'm using 1 cup, I use anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 cup of carrier oil. And then I add my essential oils into my bowl and give it a good mix. Full details of this and why I use peppermint and the carrier oil I'm using today is over on my blog. So make sure you go check that out. I will have the link below for you to check that out and you can get all the details. And even if you want to get started with essential oils or you want to know more about essential oils, I have a lot of information over on my blog, which is www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. So once you have your sugar scrub to the right consistency and it feels moisturizing, not too dry and not too moist, then you can go ahead and fill your jar with your sugar scrub. Make sure you put the label on top first. I just find this to be a little bit easier because none of the oil and residue gets on there and it adheres very nicely. After I place the sugar scrub inside my jar, I decorate it with twine. You can put a little to and from label if you want to address it and give it to somebody this holiday season, or you can simply place it in a gift bag or gift basket and add other things in it like lip balm or a homemade simmer pat mixture or some homemade lotions and things like that.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. I made tons of these peppermint sugar scrubs to give out to family and friends, and I also made one for myself. I love putting sugar scrubs on all of my dry areas, such as my elbows, knees, and feet all winter long. I even love to use them in the spring and summer. These are wonderful gifts. You tie it with a beautiful ribbon or some twine, and if you put it in a gift basket, it makes a perfect gift. If you want more DIY, simple, homemade gift ideals or any type of beauty and health, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what I should make next, and I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel, and you're going to see more things holiday Christmas season on this channel all month long, so stay tuned. Hit that bell so you're notified when I upload my next video. I hope you guys are safe and healthy, and I will see you soon. So long.